So I just we're in Waterton right now. As you can see, beautiful views. I was just going for a nice morning hike. Next thing you know, you're right, that's a frickin' bear. That's a frickin' bear, and I'm gonna go walk up to it. If I die, this is why. Little update here. I walked a little closer to the bear. I picked up this rock in case I have to slay it. And I don't know if you can see. Where is he? I think he's right there. He seemed to notice me. Oh, yep, there he is. He knows where I am. He hears what I'm saying. So we kind of are at a mutual respect right now. So I think that means I'm going to get closer. So I'm slowly approaching the bear. The bear has noticed me and has seemed to back off a little bit, but his backing off is a lot slower than my walking forward, so I am inevitably getting closer. I have my rock here raised just for safety. Let's hope it's not mating season, boys. This is how close I am to the bear right now. We're in, I'd say a little slightly higher than indoor voices distance, if that makes sense. He seems to just be eating on that grass. And as I've come closer, I've noticed that it is now definitely a bear. I can fully confirm that is a bear. Obviously, the camera, it picks things up, shows them a little further than they actually are, so I am actually freaking close to this thing. As you know from previous videos, I have my rock, so I'm not really too scared, but it should be. Also, look at this freaking view. Beauty. Whew. Alright, I'll keep you updated. I have decided to walk away from the bear now, start heading back. As you can see, I have my rock raised. I have my back to it so it doesn't want to attack me. So I'm doing all the steps right now when leaving a bear. He's just right back there. You can see that little black mark in the grass. What I want everybody to take away from this video is just how to properly hold yourself when coming across a bear, and that's how you do it, folks. See, we're just chilling, we're just walking away. All is well. Gotta keep that rock raised though. All right, I'll see you back at the cabin.